guys, I'm Frank. Today I'm going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a gaming keyboard and the price of the product will be 999 rupees. The brand will be HP. The name will be K500F and the size of the keyboard will be standard. Before I say, it is a wired gaming keyboard and also they given a 1 year of warranty and the interface will be USB. Yes, if you ask me about the highlight of the product, first of all, if you're looking for a gaming keyboard in a budget segment, this will be a really nice option. And also they given a backlit LED case. It gives you good gaming look. So it is a budget keyboard. If you're going to play some games, it will be really nice and smooth. When it comes to pure gaming, it is not a basic gaming keyboard, but if you're looking for a gaming keyboard in a budget segment, this will be a really nice option. Overall, it is in value for money product. Finally, in the box, you can see one wired gaming keyboard. Hey guys, thanks for watching.